Good morning everyone. Today we start our 8th chapter of mathematics, that is fractions. In this chapter we learn about fractions of a region, fractions of a collection, parts of a fraction, and last story sums based on fraction. So let's start the chapter. So students, first of all, what do you mean by fraction? फ्रैक्शन होता क्या है? A fraction is a part of a whole is called fraction. A part of a whole is called fraction. Suppose students, see, this is a chalk, this is a full chalk. Okay, if I break this chalk into pieces, equal parts like this, so these are the parts of one chalk, so this is called fractions. So fraction means a part of a whole is called fraction. Students, fraction of a continuous whole means here 5 children were given chocolates to eat. Each chocolate had a different number of equal parts. So how the children ate it means 5 children. चॉकलेट्स कितने बच्चों के पास है? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See the dark part. Here we have one dark part and one white part. So total number of parts are 2. 1, 2. Total number of parts are 2. Parts eaten 1. जो डार्क पार्ट है मीन्स वो वाला पार्ट बच्चों ने ईट किया हुआ है. सो ईटन पार्ट इज 1. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट चॉकलेट, काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स 1, 2, 3. हियर टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स आर 3 एंड ईटन पार्ट्स 1, 2. नेक्स्ट काउंट द टोटल पार्ट्स 1, 2, 3, 4. हियर we have total 4 parts and eaten part 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next total number of parts are 5. Parts eaten 1, 2. Similarly last 1, 2, 3. Total number of parts equals to 3. Parts eaten 1. Okay. So students, see, here this is the shaded part and this is unshaded part. This shaded part shows how much the children have eaten. Part of the whole means ये complete एक क्या है? Whole. ये complete एक क्या है? Complete chocolate है. And this is a part of one chocolate. Okay. So here the dark part, this dark part is 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. And similarly, see this, here we have total 3 parts and 2 parts are shaded. So the dark part is 2 out of 3. So this is written as 1 by 2. 1 out of 2 is written as 1 by 2. And 2 out of 3 is written as 2 by 3. This is called fraction. So students, a fraction has two parts. A fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Now, what is numerator and what is denominator? Numerator, it is the number of equal parts in consideration. Number of equal parts in consideration. Or we can say that numerator means एक कंप्लीट चीज के हमने कितने पार्ट्स किए हैं, वो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स कितने हैं वो मीन्स, जैसे हमारे पास एक कंप्लीट चॉकलेट है, उसके जो डार्क पार्ट्स हैं, सपोज हियर वी हैव टू डार्क पार्ट्स, सो दिस इज our numerator, and total number of parts 1 2 3 4 5, this is our denominator. So denominator is the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Whole means a complete thing. Like here we have a one pizza, this is a pizza, suppose this is a pizza. This pizza has 1 2 3 4 5 slices. Okay, suppose I eat one slice. I eat one slice. Okay, so our numerator is 1, denominator is total number of parts 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I hope you got it. Now students, see, write the fractions of the shaded parts. First of all, count the total number of parts 1 2 3 4 5. Total parts are 5. It means our denominator is 5, which is already written. Now find the numerator. Shaded parts means our numerator 1 2 3. Shaded parts are 3. Similarly, see this question. Count the total number of parts 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total number of parts means our denominator, which is already written. Now count the shaded parts only 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I write here 6. Next question, count the shaded part. Here we have only one shaded part, so I write here 1. Here 1 2 3. Here we have 3 shaded parts, so I write here 3. 3 by 4. Okay. Now students, write the numerator and denominator of the given fractions. Fractions given है हमको 1 by 5, 2 by 4, 1 by 8, 3 by 5, 6 by 7. So now हमको ये बताना है कि 1 by 5 में से 1 क्या है और 5 क्या है. You know very well that 1 is numerator and 5 is denominator, because 5 is total number of parts and 1 is shaded part. Okay, so here 2 is numerator and 4 is denominator, 1 is numerator and 8 is denominator, 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator, 6 is numerator and 7 is denominator. Okay, similarly students, see this. इस क्वेश्चन में हमको क्या करना है, इसमें हमको न्यूमरेटर गिवन है, डिनोमिनेटर गिवन है, हमने फ्रैक्शंस को क्या करना है, बनाना है. वी हैव टू क्रिएट फ्रैक्शंस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो वेरी वेल दैट फ्रैक्शन इक्वल्स टू न्यूमरेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर. इट मीन्स 1 by 3. Our fraction is 1 by 3. Okay, so also color the circles accordingly. Means 3 is the total parts, 1 2 3, and 1 is shaded part. So here we have to shade only one part of this circle like this. Okay, next question. Here 2 is numerator, 8 is denominator. So our fraction is 2 by 8. So now we have to shade two parts of this circle. Two parts. Okay, next question is 2 is numerator, 4 is denominator. So our fraction is 2 by 4. It means here we have to shade two parts out of 4. Okay. So students, next part of our chapter is fraction of a collection. Means collection की fractions कैसे create करते हैं. Suppose there are 20 children in a class. There are 20 children in a class. Out of those, 13 children used to school bus to come to school, and 7 children used some other means of transport. Now we have to create a fraction for this. So see, 13 out of 20 children use the school bus. Means our fraction is, you know that fraction equals to numerator by denominator. Here numerator is 13, denominator is 20. Okay, so our fraction is 13 by 20. Next, 7 out of 20 children use other transport, other means of transport. It means our fraction is 7 by 20. 7 by 20. Okay, so in this way we create fractions of a collection. Students, see this. Here we have stars and moons. Stars and moons. In the collection, we count the moons and stars separately and write them as a numerators. We count the total number of these and write it as a denominator. Students, you know very well, denominator means all parts, all equal parts. So first of all, count the all. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. They all are 12. It means our denominator is 12. Our denominator is 12. So here 12 is written. Okay, now count the stars. 1 2 3 4 5. Here we have 5 stars. So fraction of stars equals to 5 by 12. Fraction of stars equals to 5 by 12. And now count the moons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here we have 7 moons. So fraction of moons equals to 7 by 12. Okay. Students, see these questions. Fraction of leaves in the collection. Fraction of leaves in the collection. First of all, count the all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have total 8 things. So our denominator is 8. Now fraction of leaves, only leaves. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 leaves. So 3 is our numerator. So fraction of leaves is 3 by 8. Next, fraction of apple in the collection. First, count the all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 fruits. Now count the apples only. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 apples. So fraction of apples is 3 by 8. Fraction of raw mangoes. Raw mangoes means kacha aam. First of all, count all the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have total 9 mangoes. But now count only raw mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So fraction of raw mangoes are 4 by 9. Next part of our chapter is finding fractions. First of all, we do to find half. To find half. So students, suppose I have 6 candies. I have 6 candies. So I distribute these 6 candies in 2 students. These 6 candies in 2 students. So how many candies will each student get? So each student get 3 candies. So dear students, half means divide the total number by 2. Divide the total number by 2. If I divide 6 by 2, it is also written as this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. If I divide 6 by 2, I get 3 as a quotient, means each student will get 3 candies. Okay? Suppose Mamta has 6 diyas. She lights half of them in one room. How many diyas does she light? Same, here we have to find the half of 6. Half of 6 means 6 by 2. 6 by 2 equals to 3. It means Mamta light 3 diyas in the room. Okay? Now we are doing to find 1/3. Students, suppose there were 9 gifts in a bag. 9 gifts in a bag. 1/3 of the gifts were given to Mr. Joseph's family. 1/3 of the gifts were given to Mr. Joseph's family. How many gifts did they receive? Total number of gifts. Total number of gifts equals to 9. Now we have to find the 1/3 of 9. 1/3 of 9. 1/3 of 9 means we have to divide 9 by 3. We have to divide 9 by 3. It is also written as like this. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 1/3 of 9 means 9 by 3 equals to 3. It means Joseph's family received 3 gifts in all. 3 gifts in all. Okay. Next is to find 1/4. To find 1/4. For example, there are 20 pencils in a box. There are 20 pencils in a box. Find 1/4 of the collection. So, total number of pencils equals to 20. Here we have to find the 1/4 of 20. 1/4 of 20. 1/4 of 20 means we have to divide 20 by 4. When we divide 20 by 4, we get 5. We get 5. It means there are 5 pencils in one part. So 20 by 4 means 5. So here we have 5 pencils in one part. Okay. Now the last part of our chapter is story sums. So dear students, here first question is, Suhani bought 5 candies. She ate 2 of them. What fraction of the candies did she eat? What fractions of the candies did she eat? So number of candies bought by Suhani equals to 5. Number of candies eaten by her, 2. Number of candies eaten by her equals to 2. Fraction of candies eaten by Suhani. You know fraction means numerator by denominator. So 2 is our numerator and 5 is denominator. So fraction of candies eaten by Suhani is 2 by 5. Means Suhani ने 5 कैंडीज में से 2 कैंडीज को खा लिया है. Next question. Arif invited 12 of his friends for a picnic. 5 of them could not come. How many of his friends came for the picnic? Express as fraction. Now, number of friends Arif invited equals to 12. Number of friends who did not come for the picnic, 5. So, number of friends who came for the picnic equals to 12 minus 5 equals to 7. And in the fraction form, number of friends who came for the picnic, fraction of number of friends who came for the picnic is 7 by 12. Okay. And next question. Johan had 15 crayons. 1/3 of the crayons are red. How many are of some other color? Number of crayons John has 15. Number of red crayons, 1/3 of the crayons are red. Means total का 1/3 red crayons है. So here we have to divide 15 by 3. We get 5. It means the number of red crayons equals to 5. Fraction of other crayons. Fraction of other crayons. First of all, find the other crayons. So 15 minus 5 equals to 10. It means here we have 10 other colors, 10 crayons of other colors. The fraction of this colors equals to 10 by 15. I repeat, Number of crayons Johan had 15. Number of red crayons 15 by 3 equals to 5. Fraction of other crayons. First of all, we find the number of other color crayons. So here we have to subtract 5 from 15. We get 10. It means we have 10 crayons of other color. So now we have to find the fraction of this. So fraction is equals to 10 upon 15. Okay. So dear students, this is all about our chapter fraction. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.